This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Right, we're going to be starting up this Ryobi chainsaw. Hasn't been used for a little while. Made sure we had plenty of the proper fuel in there. We have the oil in this one. And reading the directions here is pretty clear cut. It says you make sure you turn this switch to the on position. So you see usually there's a line or a zero. The zero is off, the line is on. So we've got that on. Then it says pull back on the chain release. Got that. And then it says pull out the choke all the way, as far as it'll go. And then we're going to pump this one, the primer, 10 times. Just going to use a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next, we're going to step here. We're going to pull the rope 3 to 5 times. Put the foot in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. Then it says push the choke forward to the run position, which is all the way in, and now pull the start, and should start. We'll try it. Yeah, just like in the instructions.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.